Hello everyone. We already know what is probability. It is the measure of the chance of an event happening. So, if E is any event, then the probability of event E happening is represented by PE, and this is equal to number of times this event happened divided by the total number of observations. Now, when there are only two possible outcomes, like in the case of tossing a coin, we either get a head or we get a tail. If we denote an event with E and other event which is not E is denoted by E with an overhead bar, then E bar is called complement of event E. So, we say probability of event not E is equal to 1 minus the probability of event E. So, in case of tossing a coin, the probability of getting a head is equal to 1 minus the probability of getting a tail. As the sum of the two probabilities, that is probability of E and probability of not E is equal to 1. For example, say the probability of Royal Club winning the match is 0.6. Then what is the probability of them not winning the match? Well, the probability of not winning the match is equal to 1 minus probability of winning, which is 0.6. So, 1 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.4. Thus, the probability of Royal Club not winning the match is 0.4. Here, the important thing to remember is we have taken only two possibilities. Either Royal Club wins the match or it loses the match. And the assumption here is there is no case of the match getting a draw or a tie. That's all for now. Bye-bye.